Hi sir, our project name is AmbuTrack and Speed Guard System. Here we are discussing about two problems that are related to roads and its solution are related to the Google Maps. Firstly, I am telling you about the AmbuTrack. So emergency vehicles such as ambulance get stuck in the traffic and wastes precious time that is helpful to save the life of the people. The current traffic system not prioritize the emergency vehicles so effectively, which lead to the delay and it is a life-threatening. Now I am telling you about the Speed Guard system. Many drivers cross the speed limit in the designated areas, which increase the risk of accident and also make the road unsafe. Current system is often fail to enforce this limit effectively, especially in the areas with fluctuating speed regulations.
So the first problem is that ambulance waste is precious time in traffic. Its solution is the whole system includes a mobile application that the emergency vehicle driver can use. When the ambulance reaches at an intersection, the driver can click the button inside the app which correspond to the traffic lane which are needed to clear. For example, if the ambulance is coming from lane 4, the ambulance will click 1 to stop button to stop the lane 1 and 2, and then the ambulance can go without any obstruction.
Sir, in the future application, the traffic light will be controlled by the Google Map. If ambulance enter any road, it is tracked by the Google Map and it clear the traffic for the ambulance.
And the second problem is that sometimes people exceed the speed limit of their vehicle in an area with a defined speed limit. So its solution is each vehicle is equipped with GPS-based system which constantly monitors the vehicle location. When the vehicle enters an area with a defined speed limit, for example 60 km per hour, the system recognizes this through GPS coordinates, and then the system automatically restricts the vehicle speed to set to the maximum according to the area, and the driver cannot exceed the speed limit of vehicle until it leaves the zone.
The benefit we will get from this speed gun system and AmbuTrack is enhanced public safety roads. Both systems contribute to safe roads. Emergency vehicle can reach the destination faster by reducing time in critical failure. The speed limit enforcement can reduce accidents in difficult driving conditions. Second is crime prevention. The speed limit enforcement is also low potential enforcement. If any vehicle is involved in robbery or other criminal activity, then they can exceed their speed in specific zone and is for authorities to suspect them.